Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a review and a quick maintenance on these Ariat Groundbreakers. Just to start off, I got these for right around 60 bucks at Rural King that were on the clearance rack. I needed a good 6-inch work boot that didn't break my bank, and I picked these up. I think they go for right around 120, 130 on the Ariat webpage if they still didn't have them available. All around, I'd give these like a solid 7 out of 10. The leather's pretty comfortable. The break-in was easy. The only thing I don't really care for is the heel. It kind of digs in. You can kind of see how it's got this little dip right there. I don't know what that is, but it is kind of uncomfortable at times. It will rub your heel raw. So, I mean, keep that in mind. I wear these with wool socks usually, but so they don't really bother my feet that bad. But just if you have sensitive feet, that might be something you want to look out for. I think I picked these up maybe about a year ago. Far as construction wise, they're built pretty well. I mean, I work in these every single day, Monday through Friday, and I'm pretty rough on them, to be honest. But I needed a good 6-inch work boot, and I mean, like I said, I'm pretty happy with them all together. These are made in Vietnam. You're not going to get the made in USA quality, I don't feel like, especially at that price point. All around, I mean, it's got a good stitched on sole. I mean, I would never resole these just because I didn't pay that much for them. It would cost me more to resole them than it would just buy another pair. But still, good stitch on sole. The stitching's kind of fraying a little bit, but we're going to fix that today. Got some rough spots in the leather. Good sturdy speed hooks. The laces are good quality. Like I said, I have no real complaints with these. I got what I paid for. But yeah, I mean, like I said, if you're interested in these, I'll definitely check them out. I'll try to put the link in the below. And let's go ahead and clean these up. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull these laces out. We're going to be cleaning them up, and we'll put them side by side there. Kind of see the end result. Just a quick heads up, I didn't realize my smoke detector was going dead when I was making this video, so if you hear the chirping the whole time, that's what that is. Sorry. Set these aside. And I'm just going to dust off a bunch of this dried on dirt and dust just to know that we're not caking back in the dirt into the welts and the stitching. So we have a good clean boot that's going to last a little, hopefully a little bit longer by doing the extra steps there. If you're interested in this little brush, it's just from Reshoevn8r. They sell the sneaker cleaning kits. Really love this brush for about everything. This is definitely my favorite go-to brush for stuff like cleaning welds, cleaning stitching, just kind of getting some loose dirt off. I really like those brushes, and they do an amazing job on cleaning sneakers too. I might try to do a sneaker video in the future or something like that. So I just really want to get a lot of this light surface dust off so that we're not putting it back into the clean leather. Alright, that looks pretty good. Going to be using Kiwi saddle soap, which is a cheap saddle soap. It does good. It gets the boot pretty clean, conditions it, and hydrates it. I like it. Like I said, these boots just need cleaned more than anything. And this gets the job done. I'm just kind of going to do this section by section. I don't want to oversaturate the boot or keep it wet any longer than I have to. We can do it in halves. You know, little nooks and crannies. Like I said, this stuff does an amazing job of hydrating and also cleaning, so I like it a lot. Get this heel. Now we'll do this inner this inner part of the boot. Definitely want to get around our speed hooks and our eyelets. Alright, we just got the front left. Alright. Just getting off this little bit of residue, and we'll set these aside and let them dry, and we'll come back and condition them up. Alright, so now we've cleaned them. It's just time to put on our Redwing's leather cream and condition them. Hopefully save this leather a little bit longer, get it nice and hydrated, get it looking good. Cool deal. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, I just put it on my fingertip, like that. I'm just going to work it in section by section. You don't want to like overdo it and glob it on there. A little of this stuff goes quite a long ways. There we go. Almost got it. Just got to get this toe area. Alright, we're going to let that set and we'll be right back. Alright, so they've had time to set and soak. And now let's buff it off and lace them back up and we'll see the end result. I'm guilty for overbrushing every time. I don't know, these look better. Alright guys, there we go. Thanks for checking out the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Like I said, any kind of constructive criticism will help me out a lot. I really want to try to keep doing this and try to knock some more videos out in the future. But like I said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.